Hello everyone and welcome back. I have another album here I want to share with you today. This design is from Rosa Kelly and I will have a link below of her YouTube channel and where you can find the video of this particular album. It's absolutely beautiful. When I first saw it, I thought, wow, that looks pretty intimidating, but I jumped right in and following her video, she made it look easy and it wasn't too bad. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you how I put this to, what it looks like on the inside. And there's this little latch here on it. Oh, first of all, just like my other album, the roses here I made using foam sheet and heated it up and formed the roses. This little white flower here is done with paper. And then these are just little chipboard accents that I got to match the paper pack here. All right, so let's go ahead and open it and you can see how it opens up inside. Isn't that fun? I just love this album. Now we are fortunate enough that we live on the Florida coast and we go to the beach quite often. And so I know exactly what I'm going to be putting in this album. I'm going to be filling it up with a lot of beach pictures. And I was really excited to see this paper. It's just so gorgeous. So starting off here, has a magnetic flap. Again, there's some chipboard here. This little card slips out. And there's space for either a photo or for some journaling. Now, when I am putting my albums together, what I like to do is I have these little picture cards already made up for the sizes of the photos I'm going to be using. Different sizes. And so I like to go ahead and play around and see what is going to work best when I'm doing it. And I have many different little cards, so I could fit, see, this one will probably only fit that. So that's some of the thought process that I put in when I'm putting this together. I like to have a stash of these little photo placers so that I can kind of play around and measure to see how my photos are going to fit into it. This opens up. There is a pocket here on the side that slides out. Another piece of this chipboard, and it opens like this. And I did add another little slide out here, and again, for more journaling or whatever you like to put on there. This one opens just like this. These two flip out. There's another little side pocket right here that pulls out. And again, you can add another picture or journaling on the back. And this just flips up. I didn't add any extra flip out pages or pockets or anything. It has this little slide out here on the side. The album was getting a little heavy. Oh, there goes my scissors. All right, and then here on this middle one, it opens like this. And then these expand out this way. These open up this way. And then I did cut out the middle of the paper. I left this open up at the top to be able to slip a photo right here into the middle of this. And then you have all of this space here on both sides. Be able to add your photos. Then we have this here. And again, this opens like a trifold. These have magnets that close them down. more of that chipboard, and this is just to show that I didn't glue this flower down all the way. I wanted to be able to tuck a photo into there, and it's just matching on the other side. I just mirrored it on both sides, and then these fold in. These go like this, and then this is a little pocket. I haven't done anything there yet, but that'll be a little pocket like that. All right, and then hopefully I can get this all in the frame. This flips down, and when you pull on this tab, this is a cascading waterfall for photos. It's caught up on something. And then this flips down, and there's a magnetic closure to hold that in place. That is on the back of the folder here. All right, and I believe I showed, oh, maybe not this side. And this flips out. All right, and showed you that side. I believe I got all of it in there, and then it just, so you have the very back of it, this side goes in, then here, this one goes, and I love how these pages just kind of cascade together like that. And then I put two little magnets here just to be able to give it a little more stability. There's magnets here on this side as well, just to be able to help this align. And then this little latch comes down, and then there we are. Again, when I first saw the video that Rosa did of this album, I was a little intimidated by it. Honestly, it did take several, it was a work in progress over several days. I believe I've been working on it 3 or 4 days. But it was well worth it. I love how it turned out. I will post her video link down below in the comments, and where I got the paper from. Yeah, and all those details. Again, I'm not going to do a tutorial on this one, and there's no reason to repeat what Rosa's already done with it. I just thought I would show what I did with my design. And yeah, I hope you like it. If you haven't subscribed already, I would really appreciate it. Please hit the subscribe button down below. And I do read the comments. I appreciate all of those as well. And thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a great day.